Tracking your top-line revenue is great, but what really matters at the end of the day is your bottom line, your true net profit. Instead of combing through a traditional profit and loss statement every time you want to see if you're operating in the green, you can build a dynamic visual widget to monitor your net income trends live. Today, I'm going to show you how to design and add a dedicated net profit chart right onto your dashboard grid. Let's jump right in. Find your visual tracking workspace. Look over at your left-hand navigation bar and click directly on the main reports menu. From here, click into the Custom Reports tab at the top, scroll down through the Management modules, and select Performance Center to pull up your Graphics Hub. Once your Visualization Hub loads, look over at the top right header area of the grid and click the green Add New Chart button. This initializes our configuration wizard where we can select our core KPI target from scratch. QuickBooks gives you a library of data source templates to choose from, including expenses, accounts receivable, and revenue. Because we want to track our bottom line metrics today, go ahead and select the net income card layout, click to highlight it, and hit Continue. Now you're inside your design workstation. Right at the top, you can select your visual layout style, toggling between crisp vertical bars or a smooth, continuous trend line to watch a live snapshot preview of your net earnings update instantly. Over on the left-hand pane under the Customize section, let's lock in our formatting fields. Click into the name box and give your chart a clean title, like Net Profit Overview. Right below that, use the Time Period dropdown to select your timeline tracking baseline. We'll set ours to this year to date. Once your layout looks exactly the way you want it, slide down to the bottom right corner of the screen and click the bright green Add to Dashboard button. The customization panel snaps shut, and your beautiful new Live Updating Net Profit widget is officially pinned onto your main cockpit. Now you can check your real-time profitability trends every single time you open up your books without running manual spreadsheets. If this quick charting setup guide simplified your visual dashboard layout today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.